Mix a carrot, potato, and egg and you will be amazed at the result. To start our recipe, I will start grating a potato. This recipe is amazing, make it at your house, and then come back here to tell me what you think. Once this is done, I will transfer to a container and I will arrange with the help of a spoon. You will love and be amazed by this recipe. Then I will also grate a carrot. My friends always ask me to teach how to make this amazing recipe with few ingredients, healthy, and that has such a delicious and surprising result. Then I will transfer the grated carrot to the container along with the potato. Now I will add 2 eggs, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and I will mix very well with a spoon until all the spices are added to the ingredients. Next, I will add a little olive oil in a pan and I will spread well in all corners with the help of a brush to grease. Done this, I will transfer the mixture we made earlier to the greased pan. Tell me if you have any differentiated recipe, I'd love to know. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Ebtisame Cherif from Egypt. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Is a very healthy recipe and great for any meal, especially for breakfast. This recipe is all you need to start the day in the best possible way. Now I'll cover and let it cook for 10 minutes. After the time, I will turn our recipe in the pan with the help of a dish so that it cooks both sides equally, and I will fix it with a spatula. This recipe is amazing, it's quick, easy, there are few ingredients, and best of all, it's delicious. There's no reason for you not to do it in your home. Done this, I will cover and cook for another 5 minutes. After the time is ready, our recipe, look how beautiful it was. Now just serve and enjoy this delight. People, I love this recipe. I'm sure you and all your family will like it too. I do it myself every weekend, and when I do nothing, my family loves it and asks me to do it forever. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.